Hey guys, welcome to Ira channel. My name is Olek. Today I'm gonna quickly review two different bicycles. They look very similar from the distance, but not only the color, but even like step through as well. Both of them easy to get on and off, but there's a difference. So this one is Kingbull lightrider 2.0, which under $1,000, and with extra discount will be even cheaper. They do come in different colors. You might want to check link in description because I'm gonna have also discount there. You can save a lot of money. And here's a Velotric. It's a Fold Plus One, which also comes in a few different colors. Amazing bicycle, but it costs $1,500. And that's we're gonna talk today about what's the difference, okay? And if you want to see the full video review, I do have a full review for Velotric and also for Kingbull, which you can check link in description as well. So let's get over and see what's the difference. So as sitting position, it's about the same. Both of them comes with foldable pedals, so it's comfortable to ride with both of them. There's not much difference, I would say, but I'll show you close up as well. As you can see, I can sit on Velotric. I can adjust the seat, everything, but let's get closer so you can see the difference in frame, tires, and many different options. So people will ask me why it's so much price difference. Even the Kingbull is much larger. So let's start with Kingbull. So Kingbull comes with a fat tires, which is 20 by 4 inches. Off-road tires, I believe they are puncture resistance by CST, and mag wheels. Mag wheels very strong, but it adds up a little bit weight. It does come with very nice suspension fork, which is by Moza, aluminum, adjustable locking and preload. Very large headlight and options to attach the basket, removable battery, concealed battery. So the battery inside, and the size of the battery is 720 watt hours, which is 48 volt, 15 amp. It is removable. You can charge on the bike or off the bike. It does come with handle. You can lift it up. It comes with 7-speed Shimano derailleur. There is a guard, which I didn't attach, included. 150 pounds rated rack with tail light, brake light, comfortable seat, adjustable very high, and also adjustable stem for the handlebar. They recommend this bike for someone who is like 5'2" to 6'6", so can fit taller person as well. Pretty wide handlebar, a large display, and come with a headlight on and off button dedicated, horn, 7-speed shifter, half throttle. So that's Kingbull lightrider. The top speed out of the box 20 miles on pedal assist or throttle. If you change to class 3, it'll go 20 on throttle and 28 on pedal assist when you pedal it. It does come with a cadence sensor, so this piece of plastic which know when you pedal it, so it will help you to assist to ride the bike faster. And they do have special controller which you can buy from them for around $50 or more and install it by yourself, and this bike will go 28 miles an hour on throttle only. So now let's talk about electric plus. So this bike, it's amazing as well. It does come white color, but it's more like proof. It's a little bit shiny. With the Kingbull, it's flat, white, beautiful, very good design. I think even better welding on the Kingbull. On this bike, the rack is rated to 120 pounds. It is welded, but the frame itself a little bit thinner because the bike is a little bit lighter as well. I think Kingbull with battery is 71 pounds. The Velotric is 63 with the battery. The battery is only 48 volt, 13 amps, so it's about 2 amps smaller, and it's not concealed, it's on the back right there. Same cells they use, and it says UL certified. So there's the biggest difference. This one UL certified. That one, I believe, also UL certified, but not listed. It does come with the options to attach to Apple Fine. There's an app for that. Kingbull does not have an app, which for me it does not really make any difference because I never usually use the app anyways. So Kingbull, basically the name King and Bull stand for strong bicycles, and that's exactly what they have. They have very strong wheels and frame. You can see how thick is material, aluminum, everything much thicker. While on the Velotric, it's more like gentle, I would say. A little bit thinner, everything thinner, smaller, lighter. So that's a difference in frame design, but I didn't have any issue riding the bike. And this Velotric can go up to 32 miles an hour with me on top, with throttle only, because this bike have options to release the speed, and the top speed can go up to 36 miles an hour, depending on your weight. It does come with two sensors. One is cadence sensor, one is torque sensor. They're built in bottom bracket, so you can easily switch in the system. So it does come with a bright display. Just turn it on. I'm on the straight light, sunlight. It comes with a different boost mode. You can switch easily. It comes with 5 pedal assist level, 7 speed trigger shifting, very comfortable grips, headlight right here on handlebar. It's adjustable stem as well, seat, comfortable seat as well. Also tail light and even turn signals with beeps. So if you're making turn, let's say left, you're gonna hear the beeps. It does come with manual bell, while the Kingbull have horn. And it's foldable. Let me turn off. Okay. Both of them come with hydraulic brakes, which are very good, 180 millimeters, both of them. And Velotric come with 20 by 3 inches tires, which is by Prison, and I believe they're also puncture resistant. But this comes with metal fenders, while the Kingbull comes with aluminum. Oh, I'm sorry, not aluminum, with the plastic. So the steel fenders are a little bit noisy if you're going over the gravel. You can ride both of them probably off-road, but if you're planning to ride a lot of off-road, the Kingbull probably better gonna be on the sand, because the tires are much thicker, and you can see it, big difference. As I said before, you can check in description the full review, the speed, how it rides, and it does come with options to attach bottles or maybe extra battery. Now the main question, which one to pick, right? Because they are both foldable. They're pretty lightweight, I would say, because this is 71 pounds, this is 63. So it's very similar weight, but it's more rigged. It's much stronger, looks like, bike. So if you're riding off-road, if you're a heavy person, like I would recommend Kingbull. If you don't need to lift the bike to the second floor, if you don't need to put in your trunk often, then the Kingbull would be more better. It's not as portable, because Velotric can fold up much smaller space, and it's a little bit lighter. It has more options to ride. So if you want to exercise more, like, and have more variety, then the Velotric Fold Plus One would be probably the best option. But remember, it's about $500 more expensive. I do have extra discount in the description for this bike as well. So if you decide to buy Velotric, welcome to do that. Actually, it's my favorite electric bicycle, Velotric Fold Plus. I rode it like pretty much 15 or 16 miles non-stop, and it was amazing. Throttle only with pedals, you can get a good exercise. With Kingbull, it's a budget bike, but it's premium built. It's a very best price. You cannot really beat the price for aluminum frame, for concealed battery, which is usually more expensive versus to outside battery. And also they build it so good that it should last longer as a frame wise. The wheels are much stronger, so they don't require any maintenance. But the another things, if you don't know how to assemble the bike, the Velotric comes basically 98% assembled, I would say, because it's full assembled. You just need to remove all the packaging, and it's right there. While Kingbull, you would need to attach the wheel, pedals, fenders, headlight, and that's it. So again, you decide which one is right for you. If you're on a budget but you need a bicycle to commute to work and so on, the Kingbull, it's ultimate choice. If you have some more money to spend and you want like to ride sometimes off-road, sometimes take to the beach, take for vacation, just commute, Velotric is a great choice, because you have a speed, you have different options to ride in different mode. You can change it easily. It is fast. It's very stable on the road as well. and they do have 2 years warranty, both of them. So you have very good warranty on both of them. Kingbull comes with 2 years warranty on any of the bicycles. Same thing Velotric. So it is hard to decide. Also, they have different colors. So again, it's something up to you which one you decide to choose. If you still want to see more detailed review, please check link in description. I have both of them. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.